Hi everybody, it's Robin. Okay, here is part 2. Alright, it hasn't been 12 hours, but this is not sticky anymore. So I can do the remaining part of this. So I got 2 cups. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the resin and the hardener, and like this. Forgot I need to do the other cup. Wasn't paying attention. Whoop. Don't want to do too much. Now I'm going to do the hardener. And I'm going to try to pour equal amounts. Still think I got too much, but that's okay. So now I'm going to put those off to the side. So this is the fun part. Okay. I think I'm going to use red for this one. So here's my paint. And as you can see, we were playing around with it earlier. And that's the color. So I'm going to take the less one here, and I'm just going to squirt some paint in there, just like that. Red, I want gold. If I can get this open. And I'm going to fill it with very fine glitter. Now I'm going to just mix it up. Just keep mixing it up. Can you see that? It's going to be sparkly. It's going to look so pretty. And with resin, you really want to stir for about 5 minutes. So they say. Now I'm going to do the blue. Whoops. Give me a second. I need to get my X-Acto knife, which I use for everything. Hopefully that was enough. Apparently this don't want to cooperate. One thing about having long nails, it's really hard to do anything. I'm glad I have a pen to do diamond painting, or it would not go well. Okay, now I got my blue, which is a really colorful blue, and I'm going to squirt some blue in there. Going to wipe off the side here. I really don't want paint on my clothes. And on this one, I'm going to do silver. That should be plenty. I have other glitter, but when I was at the at Michael's, I decided to grab what I needed just in case I didn't actually have it here. So I've got to make sure that this is really stirred up. Isn't that pretty? That looks pretty well. Okay, here, going back to the red. And I'm just going to pour it in. Just like so. See that? I'm going to put that off to the side. I got a mess here. Boop. Gonna wipe that off so it doesn't drip on anything. And then these two, stir this up just a little more. And I'm going to pour the blue in here. And pour blue in there. That is so neat. Unfortunately, by testing the other things out, it looks like the glitter had separated. I know this is going to be weird. I just want to see how this will set up in a cup by itself. Throw this in the garbage. Alright, now that these have been poured, tomorrow morning or real late tonight, no, tomorrow, I can do a video showing what these look like after I take them out of the molds. And that is pretty simple. I mean, there isn't a whole lot to make in these. What takes the longest is actually the wait time. So this is part 2. Stick with me for part 3 when I take these out of the mold tomorrow. Have a good night, everybody.